dupes at the drugstore. Let's go. If you like KKW's nude glosses for $20, you should check out the Maybelline Lifter glosses. For literally half the price, they have the same exact packaging and shade range. If you want the Smashbox photo finish to smooth out pores, the NYX Pore Filler Primer Base does the exact same thing for half the price. Want the full coverage $27 Shape Tape Concealer? Try the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover. It literally markets duping Shape Tape for $27. And they have a good shade range. Want the voluminous Dior Show Mascara? Neutrogena surprisingly has a great dupe. The Healthy Volume Mascara for $10.99, which is a third of the price. Do you want the $40 cult favorite Laura Mercier setting powder? Well, dupe it with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Especially if you go through a lot of powder, this is a great dupe. And they have a way wider shade range. Like for part 2?
Top 5 drugstore makeup dupes you need.
Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Moon for Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy.
Revlon Untold Stories for M.A.C Honeylove.
L'Oreal Blush Please Blush for NARS Orgasm.
Revlon Brightening Primer for the Ola Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. CoverGirl Micro Brow for the Anastasia Brow Wiz.
5 of my favorite dupes for popular high-end cosmetics. Don't spend $37 on Smashbox's Photo Finish Primer because this line of CoverGirl primers is so good. They've literally become the only primers I wear. I'm using the pore filling one today, but I also love the mattifying and illuminating. While I loved the customizability of CoverFX's monochromatic blush duos, $38 is an insane amount of money to spend on a blush, especially when E.L.F has duped it for only $3. You could literally get the entire line for the same price. One of my favorite palettes this year is Morphe's 35XO, and for $40 less than Huda Beauty's new Nude palette, it has 17 more shades. Honestly, as I used the two side by side, I genuinely felt that Morphe's shades were more pigmented, so it's basically a win-win. I stumbled onto this dupe recently, but y'all, I think Soap & Glory Sexy Mother Pucker outplumps Too Faced Lip Injection. It feels so weird doing it this way because they like tingle different, but Soap & Glory is way cheaper and has a lot more shades. I should have never bought into the hype of Farsali's $39 Rose Gold Skin Mist when Colourpop exists. If you want a dewy finish to your makeup, get the Do It Hydrating Mist instead. And here's the final look. Can you tell a difference?
Best drugstore dupes I found in 2020. This Milani lip liner, so similar to MAC Cosmetics. We've all heard the Maybelline Lifter Gloss is a dupe for the Fenty Gloss Bomb. Soilel Tan de Chanel. No, Soul Body is what you need to know, this bronzer balm. This NYX brow pencil is a dupe for the Fenty MVP, but I like it better. And I finally tried the No. 7 powder, a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury.
Stop spending too much money on expensive makeup and try these dupes instead. If you like the Glossier Cloud Paint, you'll love the Milani Cheek Kiss. They both give such a pretty pink dewy look. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk is one of my all-time favorite lip colors. Try this one from Flower Beauty for a more affordable option. If you like the Anastasia Brow Pencil, you will love this one by NYX.
Holy shit, it's been a minute, you guys, but I am back with another dupe, and this dupe might quite possibly be the best one yet. Now, most of you, if not all of you, have probably seen and heard of this product right here. So many beauty influencers have ranted and raved about this product back in the day. This is the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel Bronzing Base, and I have to be honest, this is one of my all-time favorite beauty products. The downside is that this bad boy runs for around $50, but fear not, there is a dupe. Enter Soul Body. Now, this is Colourpop's sister brand if you are not familiar, but let me tell you, this bronzing balm is a direct dupe for the Soleil Tan de Chanel. This is the Soul Body, this is the Chanel. They are pretty much identical shade-wise. Here they are swatched. To the left, that is the Soul Body, and to the right is the Chanel. You can't even tell the difference. Like and follow for more.
Yes.
I don't want your number.
Yes.
I don't wanna give you mine.
Yes.
I don't wanna meet you nowhere.
Yes.
I don't want none of your time.
Yes.
Is
the new E.L.F. Camo CC Cream a dupe for the cult favorite It Cosmetics CC Cream? Let's find out. First, I'm gonna go in with the It Cosmetics. I'm gonna prime my skin with the E.L.F. Putty Primer. Alright, that's the It Cosmetics side. Now we're gonna go in with the E.L.F. on this side. Holy coverage. The only difference between the products is the E.L.F. one has 30% SPF and the It Cosmetics has 50. The coverage on this is insane. Okay, $40, $14. Do you see the coverage line? Can you guys see that? I feel like the E.L.F. side looks better. What do you think? Look plus for more dupes.
Dupes for Glossier, Part 1, Boy Brow. Boy Brow is now a cult favourite, but it's £14 for a very small tube. The E.L.F. Wow Brow is very similar. Let me show you. Although the applicator is slightly longer and thinner, it applies very similarly and for only £4.50. This is me trying out Boy Brow. Definitely fluffs up and holds the brows. And this is me trying out the E.L.F. Wow Brow. Similar fluffiness and similar hold.
Guys, stop scrolling. I have the most amazing dupe. I'm gonna dedicate it to this just one product because it's just so good. Okay, so everybody and their mama loves for me to dupe things, especially this one. I've gotten so many requests, so I had to buy it and just bite the bullet and just get it for y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one. Let's see, this one right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. Just like that. I'm gonna take that same color and I'm gonna put it actually on this part of my arm. So like that. On the inside, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with the Charlotte Tilbury. So it says 6 to 8 inches away. Now while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead with the Makeup Revolution one and I'm gonna do it on top. Okay guys, look. Okay guys, so the Charlotte Tilbury does have a dupe and it is the Makeup Revolution Infinite Setting Spray. It works just the same.
I get products at the drugstore that I love that I don't normally hear anybody talk about. So we're going to talk about this LA Colors lip gloss. This is squalene based. If you've ever had a gloss from Victoria's Secret, that's what it feels like. I like it better than MAC lip gloss. Next we're going to talk about this mascara. This mascara is at the drugstore. I like it better than Dior, MAC, any other mascara I've tried at the drugstore also. Not the waterproof one. This is another LA Colors product. This I actually found at the Dollar Tree and I use it as a highlight. I feel like it's a dupe for Hourglass Incandescent Light. I've mentioned this before, but this is the L'Oreal Hydra Perfect Setting Powder. I chose this powder because it has nylon as an ingredient. I was like, that's interesting. I want to see what that's like. It's almost exactly like the Lancome powder, the one Jaclyn Hill uses. I think it's called Absolute. They're made by the same company. Let me know if you want a part 2.
5 drugstore dupes unique. Glossier's Future Dew and the Makeup Revolution Glass Skin Primer. The Glossier one does have more of a shimmer to it, but the formula and consistency of both of these is exactly the same. They both also have the same effect on the skin. The Soul Face and Body Bronzer for the Huda Beauty Tan Top. The formula of both of these is pretty much the same. They have the same finish on the skin. Save yourself some money and go with the Soul one. The Revlon Primer Brightening Plus for the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright. These are exactly the same. Both give the skin a really nice radiance and glow. I think I prefer the Revlon one though because it's slightly more hydrating. The Fenty Bronzer for the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Both are super creamy, work really well on the skin, easy to blend. If you're looking for an affordable option, Physicians Formula is the one. The Maybelline Lifter Gloss for the Fenty Gloss Balm. These are literally the same thing.
So I don't know how this isn't everywhere, but I found an exact dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick in a lip liner. This is the Milani Nude number 3. It is so close, like so good. I've used these together numerous times and refused to pay $30 for a lip liner. So here's the Milani Nude 3. It's literally $4. So good, wears so well. That is on the right, and then the Pillow Talk is on the left.
Let's find a new dupe. Today I'm duping one of my favorite nude lipsticks, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I really love this option from Flower Beauty in the color Spiced Petal. It's a really creamy formula. Another great option is This Is Nude from Essence Beauty. The color is super similar.
I recently cut ties with Charlotte Tilbury. If you're interested in why, see my Instagram highlights. I love these products actually, I'm not gonna lie, but I've decided I'm gonna try to dupe these products for you. The airbrush powder from Charlotte Tilbury is literally the best powder I've ever used. But for $45, let me try to do better. The number 7 Illuminate powder is super close to the airbrush powder. Both of these products have a high amount of dimethicone in it, which is what helps blur your pores. This is going to reduce shine without looking cakey, and it's $12.99, so go get it.
I got another dupe. Do you love the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, but it's a little pricey? I found its dupe. NYX has this Total Control Foundation. It is semi-matte, it's the same consistency, and it has the same color payoff. It's lightweight and it's perfect for an everyday wear. Do you have a dupe? Comment down below and watch all my other dupe videos. But most importantly, save!